Hi, in this video I'll show how to use application for converting text files to Excel without having Excel installed on a computer. You can see on my computer I have a different Excel text files. So, for example, this one states text is comma delimited. So, and I want to convert it to Excel, and I want to be this like first column, the next column, another one. Or, for example, I have a tab delimited files like state name and tab, and then another, and I want to be this one like first column, second column, third column. Or, for example, I have a pipe delimited file where is a pipe symbol in it, and I want to be converted in Excel. So application will detect delimiter and will convert it to Excel file and with all column separation in it automatically. So in order to do this, I will install application from my website. To search app, I will click on search and type X2 and Excel, and it's this one. Click on page, click on download button to start downloading process, and wait until archive will be downloaded on my computer. I will be recording more videos on Excel converters and text converters, so if you're interested, please consider subscribing to my channel. You can see archive has been downloaded. I will click on downloaded archive to open it, double click on MSI to start installation, click on more info here. I'm getting the screen from Windows because I'm not registered publisher with Microsoft. You can see publisher unknown. Just click run anyway to start installation, click on next install, click on yes, and click on finish on final screen. And you can see application has been installed on my computer. I have a new shortcut on my desktop. Now I can close this and double click on shortcut to launch app. Now conversion is 3 steps process. And first step, I want to select text files that will be converted into my Excel. So I'll click on this button and I will select states.txt, state pipe delimited, and states tab delimited. So I'm selecting this by holding the control button, so it allows me to select multiple. I can select one, click open, then click select another one, and tab pipe delimited, and select another one. It's also whatever works for you. You can do anyways. So when all files selected, every file will be as a separate spreadsheet into Excel file. So just click next step. The first row of my file has a column name. It's usually the case. Some files don't have just pure data, no column names on the top, but normally there are column names and then data. So if this is the case, I will leave this checked. So first row has column names. Click on next and click run on final screen, and it will ask me for name and location of the file. So this name and location is okay, just click save, and file has been saved. And let's go and see file. Now I have a XLS viewer. It's a simple application, quick application that show what is inside Excel file. You can see there are 3 spreadsheets or tables into Excel: states pipe delimited, states tab delimited. All data is here. Everything is great. Yep. To Wyoming, all data imported. From Alabama to Wyoming, everything is here. So good. Also, I have a Excel mobile. It's not Excel, but it's free version of Excel. It's kind of like Excel viewer. It just shows what's inside, and it does not allow me to change anything. So I can just show you what is inside. If you send this information to somebody who has Excel, it will open normally like Excel with all spreadsheets in it. It's very slow, and I think it's connecting to Microsoft every time I open it. Yeah. Let's try it again. Just open with Excel Mobile. Yeah. You can see it has 3 spreadsheets because I have imported 3 files. If you want to import 1 file, it will be just 1 spreadsheet. And because I selected first row as a column names, it will highlight it like column names, like header, and all data in it. So yeah, basically that's it. We converted our text files into Excel without basically have Office or Excel installed. It's Excel viewer, it's not like an Excel, and you don't need to install it to use that. And yes, if you have any questions, please leave them in comments. Thank you.